Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent that performs viral content research on Reddit and YouTube. I'll also show you how to plug that agent into a workflow to create a content factory that generates ideas based on viral trends, so you never have to do manual research or doom scroll for ideas again. Here is the viral trend analyst agent I've already built. You can create the prompt for this agent easily using the Generate with AI feature inside MindPal. You can also customize this prompt based on the specific niches you want to research. The most important component of this agent is the integration. I have connected it to both Reddit and YouTube. For Reddit, I've assigned 4 actions: search across subreddits, retrieve specific comments, and retrieve posts. For YouTube, I've assigned 2 actions: YouTube search and batch video details. With these tools, the agent can access any content research we need. For example, I can ask it to find all viral posts and videos on Reddit and YouTube about AI agents from the last week. As the agent works, you can see it invoking tools to search across subreddits and YouTube iteratively. It navigates multiple sources to deliver a curated list of viral content. This saves a massive amount of time compared to manual research. When you build this for your own business, you can even point it towards specific subreddits or YouTube channels you want to monitor. To make this truly powerful, we can plug this agent into a workflow. I've built a viral AI trend content factory. Here's how it works. Research. The viral trend analyst researches viral YouTube videos and Reddit posts for a specific keyword. Brainstorming. An agent called the MindPal Growth Advisor takes those findings. This agent has access to our internal documentation, so it understands our brand. It brainstorms 5 content concepts for social media. Confirmation. The workflow pauses for a human to confirm or edit the selected concepts. Production. Once confirmed, the workflow orchestrates 5 specialized sub-agents: an SEO specialist, a LinkedIn post generator, a Twitter X thread writer, a blog writer, and a carousel post creator. Let's run the workflow. The viral trend analyst starts by searching Reddit and YouTube. Once the summary is ready, the growth advisor suggests 5 concepts we can post immediately. For this demonstration, I'll confirm the suggestions. Now, the orchestrator worker node assigns tasks to the sub-agents. After a few moments, all our content bits are ready, including a LinkedIn post, a blog post, a Twitter thread, and even a carousel post layout. This workflow is incredibly useful for saving time. Instead of scrolling for hours, you get high-quality content ideas based on what is already trending. You can even set this workflow to run autonomously every day. Even if only 1 out of every 5 pieces of content generated is usable, the time saved and the value driven for your business are immense. If you want to duplicate this workflow into your own MindPal workspace, I've included the link in the description. Happy New Year from our team!